Sofia Lyfar, dancer. I'm from Ukraine, and I'm so happy to see you on my 8th lesson of my new project, Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. And today we are going to learn new basic movement of Bellydance, figure 8. Let's start from warming up our body. vertical 8. So, we have two types of vertical 8. First, vertical 8 in. We'll start learning from this. And second, vertical 8 out. So, let's start learning. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy by the same principle like horizontal 8, but different amplitude and different direction. We are starting from lower position of our legs. My legs are in closed position, and I'm standing on right leg. I will start doing it from right hip. First, I need to make my hip up. I'm making it by making my right foot on the velvet. 1, 2. And also by stretching my right knee. Again, 1, 2. Then from this position I need to go in and down. 3, 4. From this I'm making again normal position of my foot and I'm bending my knee. 3, 4. Close position again. And the same with left hip. Again, up and in. Let's make it faster. 1, in. Releve, normal. Releve, normal. Releve, down. I'm making it with lower back in and belly button because look, if I make it like this, amplitude will be another. It will be like horizontal 8, but from back side I'm making this. I need to make it in vertical amplitude. So lower back and belly button in and close position. Let's make it faster with arms. My arms will be here near hips. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, in, up, in, up, down, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. Now let's go to the vertical 8 out. And now vertical 8 out. Let me show you it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first of all, I'm making it in different direction. Vertical 8 in, I made from down to up and then again down. And this 8 I'm making from up, down, different directions. So let's start learning. First, I'm starting from this position when my right leg is in releve, my right knee is stretched, and my hip up. And I'm making it out. Like let's pretend that here is something like a cup of coffee, and I need to make it into the table. Here is the table. It goes from this table, this table, this table. So from up to the right side and down. Then the same with left leg, but first I'm going from down to up, and then again from up to down. Let's make it faster, and you will understand everything. 1, 1, 1. Up, down. Vertical 8 out. Looks like this. Also again belly button and lower back in. And my position of my legs is not here, it's close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower back in. And my hips are making movements. 5, 6, 7, 8. And with arms, let's make it again here. 5, 6, 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more bonus thing for today. And today's bonus, it's vertical 8 in with wave in all together. So it's like two movements in one. It's very beautiful, and I want to say that this movement for vertical 8 in and wave in, I'm using more than normal vertical 8 in. So let's start. It's my vertical 8 in. Remember it with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here is my wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all together. How it will be looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the difference, vertical 8, I'm starting from horizontal and I'm making it up. But vertical 8 with wave in, I'm starting more from diagonal and I'm making this part out. This lower part of my belly, I'm making it out. My lower back is in and it's pushing it out. Again, from diagonal, out. And from here I will make wave in. 1. And here I'm in normal position. The same with left. Out. 1. Here is I'm not stretching my knee full. I'm not stretching it fully. I'm making like little movement to stretch it but not full. So 1 in, 1 in, 1 in. My feet is again from flex position to releve. And my position of my legs is close. Knee nearer the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, wave in I'm making without chest because it will be like very intensive and it's not too beautiful like this. And with arms, let's make it here working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you did it. You passed my new lesson, 8th lesson, and I'm so happy to see you there. And I wish you to see you on my next lesson, in which we will learn something new. Bye! Kisses from Ukraine.